Here we are back at it. May 14th, Smithville, Missouri. We are doing a 50-mile tandem category today. Humphrey's gravel grinder. Supposedly lots of elevation, lots of hills. It's warm this morning. It's going to be well in the 80s, I think, at least 80s today. A lot of sun, clear sky, so be good heat training, elevation training. We're only doing a 50, but I think we'll be happy with just 50 today, and good build up to Emporia. So, you ready for today?
Oh, I think my skin's ready for today. I don't think I could put enough sunscreen on today.
Yeah, it's going to be sunny and hot today. Today is Cassie's first day using an Orange Mud hydration pack. Trying to get her on board with that idea for 100-mile rides and stuff. It's kind of necessary at times, so we'll see how that goes. You excited for your hydration pack?
Not really. It's gonna be pretty hot, I think.
Yeah, they do add some heat, but her actual pack is frozen right now, so it'll start out nice, but it rapidly increases in temperature. So. This is actually what Cassie does while I'm riding. She just sits back there and eats snacks. Are you ready for snacks at the back today?
Yeah, we got a good one.
You got a
today.
good selection? All right. Stay tuned. Some heat, sweating, maybe vomiting, but also snacks at the back. 1, 2, 3, go. Few miles in, nice rolling hills, nice breeze on a day like today, and a lot of trees, which is helping with the sun. A lot of turns, a lot of stop signs. Good news is my route loaded today. Great success. How we doing in the back?
Doing all right.
We're off to a good start, moving pretty well. My legs are sore. It was kind of a good week of riding for me. A lot of miles, so we'll keep after it, see what we can do. We did never see the other tandem, so we're looking good for a podium anyway.
Already had #1 snack. Scratch. Chews. Still fabulous. A little warm today. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to put on sunscreen every like 20 minutes or I'll burn. It was just
We're progressing well. Kind of enjoying this route. It's like maybe half actual gravel, a lot of paved road, up and down and up and down. But the hills are short enough that you can carry your momentum on this tandem pretty well. as much climbing as we're actually doing, it doesn't feel too bad. Kind of a lot of rollers. And a fair amount of them have been paved. Looks like we're averaging about 15 and a half, about 17 in.
About halfway through. We've hit a little over 26 miles. I think it's 54 total. Still toasty. In case I haven't made it abundantly clear, my skin hates sunshine on it, like a lot. Pale skin peeps, I am feeling your pain today. I've applied sunscreen twice today already. I'm probably still gonna burn. So, the sun sucks. With that, another snack segment today. Snacks from the back. Today, we're trying something. Actually, I had it for the first time a week or two ago. Whew, I can get through this climb first. Makes eating snacks really hard. I'm gonna give it a go. Okay, time for snacks from the back. Today we've got Kurt's Energy and Endurance Bars. We've got chocolate cherry bomb. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's nice because it sticks together, but it's not like hard and chewy. It's so good. It's kind of like an oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. And they throw some like dried cherries or something, but they're not super dry. Really, really good. Highly recommend these. The mouthfeel. A little chewy. Nice and soft, pretty smooth, not chunky. Clearly not a pro at this, guys.
You're not even saying. You didn't even talk about mouthfeel.
Listen, it says consistency is king on this thing, so that's all I'm saying. It is really good though. It's kind of like eating a soft, and today it's nice and warm. Soft, warm chocolate chip oatmeal cookie with a little bit of fruit in it.
A warm, sweaty chocolate chip cookie.
A little sweaty, yeah, maybe. But yeah, I recommend it.
What would you rate it?
This is hard.
What kind of rating system do you have?
It's very subjective. It's all over the place. Maybe like a 7 or an 8, 7.5.
Out of 10?
Yeah. So give that a try. Again, not sponsored, but it's good.
Possibly, yeah.
I wanted to bring out something weird today that our fans suggested. Shout out to my friend Robin. Said Robin. Shout out to my friend Robin. Mozzarella sticks will be making an appearance someday, just so you know. Just keep your eyes peeled. Alright, I'm gonna focus now. Finish my snack.
Thank you.
We're about 2 hours and 45 minutes in through the sag. Rode for a while. It's getting pretty warm out. We hit a big bump. That didn't go well. It's got a pretty good bump in the back there.
Pretty sure I got whiplash. It hurt.
So, and it's getting warm. Trying to keep our pace up though. Not right at the exact moment, but overall. Trying to keep eating and drinking. We'll be back before we know it. Still plenty of little hills, nice rollers, mix of pavement and gravel. This is a nice change of pace for me. Not a lot of rough gravel, or really any at all. Smooth gravel or kind of small paved and beat up paved roads. Humphrey's Gravel Grinder in Smithville, Missouri. They have routes all the way from 200 to I think 25. So lots of options. Nice little downtown area with start and finish. I think we get a meal with our entry. Looking forward to finding a shady spot, catching up on hydration.
And ice.
And ice. Back in Smithville, listening to some old fellas play some cover music.
They're rocking.
We were looking for like the only little piece of shade we could find. We finished.
3.5 hours.
3.5 hours. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
For us. Got hot there at the end, not gonna lie.
I had a low point after the bump incident.
Somebody got a little grouchy on us.
I didn't feel great.
Yeah. The good news.
As the temperature goes up, so does the tension on a tandem.
Yeah. The good news is we would be halfway done Unbound right now. We'd be at the
And
checkpoint.
it's gonna be 20 degrees hotter.
Yep. And probably windier. And there's a lot more climbing.
Can't wait.
Can't wait indeed. Anyway.
Get a shot of these.
What are you showing me?
My sunscreen, folks.
My wife,
Struggles of the
my
pale
wife
skin.
peed her pants today,
I
apparently.
did not.
Oh,
It's
pee
sunscreen.
pants. We could have stopped, but she's like, no, I'll just go. Anyway, I think we were first tandem. I think
Probably
we were
only tandem. again.
also last tandem. Look at that little dog over there. He's a cute dog.
He looks happier than we are.
Appreciate you tuning in to this week's Back of the Gravel Pack. We survived to ride another day. We got like 3-ish weeks till Unbound. This is our last event. So got another, this was a long week of training. Next week's gonna be the same. Hit it pretty hard for 2 weeks and then start easing off a little bit. Legs were a little tired today. I didn't feel great personally, but I had a pretty good week, so not surprised. Wanted to load up on the fatigue this week. I do recommend this event. The course was actually pretty cool. It was like a mix of pavement and gravel, nothing really rough. At least the 50 miles, nothing rough at all. A lot of rollers up and down, but there's only one real steep one that I can remember. Everything else is pretty easy to climb, wasn't it? All like less than a minute climbing. So just northeast of Kansas City, Smith, Missouri. Humphrey's gravel grinder. Check it out. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.
And if you have a weird snack suggestion, like mozzarella sticks, that will happen, let us know.
Does it have to be weird though?
I mean, yeah, it's kind of more fun.
That being said, you haven't tried any of the weird ones yet.
It's true.
So
I kind of forgot about it.
what was the one? Almonds or something?
Something fun you want to see me eat on a bike.
There you go. With that, we'll see you next time.